If you're a homeowner and you're really detail oriented, that's kind of what we really focus on. Our guys are really meticulous. They like to make sure things are done the right way. They like to make sure it's exactly what you're expecting in a fence when you sign the contract and you say, hey, I want team to build my fence. We want you to be fully informed. Our communication needs to be on point. You need to understand everything that's going on because it's your yard. We want to make sure that if we're in your property, your home, we want to treat it like we would at our home, our property. See this homeowner today, go ahead and flag them down and just say, hey, obviously we're in your yard a little bit today. It's wet, so there's a little bit of mud. We're gonna throw grass seed down at the end. It should be fine. So if there's any problem, give us a call.